So this class is perfect for someone who's ready to get serious about hand tool woodworking. You don't have to be a dedicated hand tool user. You don't really have to have experience with hand tools. It's really more than just the workbench. It's an introduction to hand tool woodworking. So if you're ready to go down this path, then this is a really great way to start, because you'll end up with an incredibly solid workbench and a really solid foundation in hand tool woodworking. I think for the purposes of this pilot class, you would probably be well served to be comfortable using web-based video conferencing software like Zoom. We'll probably be using Discord for our group chats, or for our chat room. And you need to be comfortable watching videos on YouTube. You need to have a solid internet connection. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you'll join, and I hope you'll come to the class and be ready to learn.